The thing with these settings is that they are not obvious. They are not something a lot of people would actually notice specifically, but the impact they make is mind blowing. So let's dive in, but make sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this. So the first basic setting that almost everyone know is to enable the highest quality upload. So go to three dots option, open settings and privacy, scroll down a bit, and here you can see data usage and media quality. And here you will find the highest quality settings. Make sure it's turned on. So now what? You have been using this setting for so long and it's doing nothing much. And here comes our two settings while exporting your video, and that's much more crucial. See, the thing about Instagram is that it doesn't look from where you shoot the videos, whether it's iPhone or Android. But while uploading, if it's above 1080p resolution, then it's going to compress it down anyways. So keep this setting in mind while exporting your video after editing. First, to set the resolution to 1080p. Frames per second you set to 30 or 60 fps according to your liking, and bitrate to 21. This is the ideal setting for the Reels part. And for story, the resolution and fps remains same, but the bitrate changes to 11. And that was the two setting for your high quality Reels and story upload on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.